Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the list methods. In previous video, I already explained three methods: append, extend and insert. In this video, I am going to show you the next three methods: pop, remove and clear. So please walk through with me. Let me show you the code. So just take me one, let me take one example. List 2 is equal to 100 Python, some boolean value like false, 5000, 100.8. So this is the list. Now I want to remove one of the element from this. So pop is a method. If you don't pass any argument, by default it will remove the end of the element. So let's write the code. First you need to write the variable name list2 dot pop off. You can see. Here I am not going to pass any argument here. Just if you give like a pop off, print of list2. You can see. Defaultly it removed the end of the element. If you want to remove a specific element, maybe my interest is I want to remove Python, then pop takes the index number. Index number is nothing but position of the element. If you give the position of the element, that way you can remove the specific element. Just if I am giving like a 100 means 0, Python means 1. So if I am giving like a 1, you can see Python deleted. So this is the way you can pop takes only the one argument, that is like a position of the element. That way you can remove the specific element. If you don't pass any argument, means defaultly it is going to delete the end of the element. Next, it won't take the argument name. That means if I try to give the element name here, the value of the element, it won't take it, because you can see string object cannot be interpreted as an integer. So pop works with the index number through only. Next, remove takes the element name. Maybe if you want to remove a specific element like 5000 I want to remove, then you can go to list2 dot remove of. Now you can write the element name here. Maybe I want to remove like a 5000. So let me write 5000. Print of list2. You can see. So list remove takes the element name, but if you try to give the index number, maybe 0 means 100, it won't. You can see, it won't work. Remove won't take the index number. Maybe if you don't pass any argument here, you can see, remove takes exactly one argument, but right now I haven't given any argument. That's why it's raised the type error. So remove takes the element's name. Maybe if I want to remove the false here, just write and remove it. You can see. And clear. Clear won't take any arguments. So if you try to use the, so list2 dot clear. So clear won't take any argument, that means element name or maybe index number, it won't take anything. It is going to delete the all elements and empty list is the return. So print of list2. You can see it is empty list. If you try to write any argument, it raises the error. And clear takes no arguments, but right now I given as a one argument. That's why. So clear won't take any argument. And output is empty list. So In next video, I'm going to show you the rest of the methods. Please follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you.